You know that one messy spot where tiny things always disappear? Nails, screws, paper clips, makeup pins, all of it. Today we're fixing that with a super simple hack. All you need is a few cheap magnets and a 3D printed tray. Let me show you how easy this is. This is a magnetic tray. It looks like a normal organizer, but the base actually grabs metal pieces so they don't spill or roll away. Super useful for DIY work, crafts, or makeup drawers. If you have a 3D printer, this becomes even more fun. Just print any tray design you like. And here's a simple trick. Pause the print halfway. Most slicers let you add a pause at height command. I pause it right before the top layers of the base. Then we'll drop in a few small neodymium magnets. They sit inside the print hidden forever. After that, resume the print and the machine seals the magnets inside. That's it. You've created a magnetic catch tray. See how the nails just stick and don't roll around? Same for pins, clips, tiny screws. This is honestly one of the easiest and most practical upgrades for your workspace or dressing table. If you don't have a 3D printer, you can still do this. Just take any tray you already have and glue a few magnets underneath. Hot glue works, epoxy works, whatever you have at home. And instantly, your old tray becomes a magnetic organizer. This is one of those small life upgrades that makes a big difference. Literally a 2-minute job, but super helpful. If you want more simple practical hacks like this, subscribe to Mizon Up and follow along. See you in the next video.